Bro, I need a restaurant, period. What's up, babes, and welcome back to my channel, Shavarius TV. I am back with another freaking food vlog for you guys. Yes, I am back with another, and y'all already know I'm extra. I'm so excited. Almost there. I'm headed there. I got maybe about 5 minutes left. I came this way because I don't know why I came this way. I just came this way because it's smoother than riding on 15th and 23rd Street. So I took this way. I'm not going to ramble you on with 30 seconds of just talking, but anyways, we'll be there shortly. So y'all, look, this food truck followed me on Instagram, so I decided to follow them back. And I don't know why I did that, because like I have an eating problem. Okay, not really, but I like to eat, and I like food that tastes good, and I swear I will spend my last dime on food. Any which way, I decided to try this food truck because I said I'm gonna start doing food vlogs or food videos. So the first one I'm doing is this Get You a Chew Box. If I'm saying it right, if I'm saying it wrong, correct me. But I'm trying to get you a chew box. My buzzer is right here. Hold on, y'all. But anyways, I am trying to get you a chew box right there. Follow them on Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. But anyways, my total was $22.75. I got a sandwich, of fries, and a drink. I don't know how good it is. I know a lot of people, like, honestly, and I'm not even tripping about the price. I know a lot of people would say, like, that's too much. But honestly, that's the same amount that, like, when I go to Buffalo Wild Wings, me and Ari, my total be $21, $22. So I'm not even tripping. Like, I'd rather give it to a black-owned business before I, you know, like, keep support. Like, because I support everybody, but before I keep running to Buffalo Wild Wings or whatever, I'm going to try this place out. They sell wings, shrimp basket sandwiches, stuff like that. So I definitely wanted to try it out, and like I said, the $22 was worth it. But yeah, we're gonna see how it tastes. I'm actually gonna take my food back home and eat it. But yeah, I really wanted to tell y'all that $22.75, and we're finna see if it's worth it. So that's all. I'm doing reviews, and like, y'all really finna see me eat this sandwich. Like, I'm really finna be like fatigued when I get home. I'm so excited because I seen this freaking video. I'm gonna take a picture of it. I'm gonna take a video, you know. I seen this video of it, and I was like, I'm finna get my fat ass up and go get one. So I came over here and got me one, and we're about to see how it tastes. Y'all, I am funny as freak. Like, I don't even know if this thing is called get you a chew box, but this crap says get you a box. So I guess it's get you a box, not get. I don't even know what the hell I was saying, but it is a get you a box, and we finna see how it tastes. I'm ready. Are y'all ready? Cause I'm ready. Like, I'm ready. I just got up from a nap. I'm ready to get home, and buzzer's ready. Buzzer's going off. It's my time. Let's go. So I'm back in the car. I'm so excited. Like, I don't even know. Should I be this excited for food? Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So good. Okay, y'all ready? Dun, 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 dun. And under beholds, because get you a rich bitch. Hey, rich girl shit. Oh, y'all know I'm extra as fuck, but it's called the rich girl sandwich, or whatever the case may be. So I was like, get you a rich girl, like all right. But anyways, we're finna get to the house because I'm hungry. Let's go. Here it is. So we're home. We're about to grub. All right, y'all, so I've made it home, as you can tell, and we're about to just go ahead and get started because I'm hungry. So I guess since it's called Get You a Chew Box, get you a box. Get you a box. Why do I keep on saying get you a box? Okay, whatever. I guess this is called Get You a Chew Box. Get you a chew box. But it's called Get You a Box. Okay. That's what it's called. Get you a box. Like, are you supposed to choose normal? I don't know. But anyways, I'm about to put this ketchup on my fries. Y'all, I had a piece of that crab meat. Like heaven on earth, baby. And I'm weird, so I put ketchup and hot sauce on my fries. I mean, I'm gonna put a little hot sauce on the sandwich too. Put a little hot sauce on the sandwich. You know, we just need a little bit because they already got their own type of flavor or whatever that they put on it. Their own kind of sauce. Look. I got you a lemon. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on there. I don't want to put a lot, so I don't want to mess up the sandwich. Y'all, it don't come with onions, but y'all know. I eat onions on everything, so y'all already know. That was a big 10-4. I had to do that. Okay. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Sandwich falling apart. Wait. I gotta get a napkin. Stay right there. Oops. Y'all know I ain't even type. If something nasty, I'm gonna tell y'all. I need a little bit of that sweet tea. I don't really. They had sweet tea and something else. I'm gonna drink it, but I don't really like that sweet tea like that. What it's called? Like heaven or earth. All right, y'all already know. Y'all gonna have to wait. Call y'all back. Y'all see how disrespectful my iPad is? Okay, I'm gonna have to back y'all up some, cause that was so disrespectful. Anyway. I'm gonna edit that out. But my iPad falling like that was just so rude. Like, rude. And falling all of my sandwich. I don't like that. Don't do that. Oh, well, I didn't even tell y'all what the sandwich came with. It comes with shrimp, lettuce, tomatoes, and crab meat. Y'all already know I had to add some raw onions on there because I eat onions with everything. Hold on. I'm gonna let y'all get a good look at me bite my sandwich. Y'all, hold on. I gotta get another bite. Hold on. I gotta get an onion in there. This is just one of them videos. Well, I don't even care. I know y'all gonna tell me to stop smacking, but it is. Oh my God, that sandwich is so good. Lordy. Like, Lordy. Y'all, that sandwich. You know, like, even though I had to drive home with it, I'm sorry, y'all, I ain't do my hair today either. I'm gonna do it tonight when I get ready to go out. But even though it's like not hot, I know some people, they cook it fresh. So I had to wait 10-15 minutes on it. But I don't eat my food hot, so I would have still had to wait. Anyways, but like, I'm in love with this sandwich. That's all I'm saying. Ooh, Lord have mercy. All right. Gotta get y'all, I don't eat from every food truck, but I'm about to start testing different food trucks for y'all. And if I say it's good, I'm gang is good. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's good. Like, that's all I am. It's good. Period. If you ain't got you a box yet, you better go get you a box, because that's, I mean, period. Ooh, we're going for another bite. We're going for another bite, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Like, I guess when we go to restaurants, we don't care. But I can't say that you always gonna know what you get at a restaurant either, because you're not. Or you're not. So, but to be honest, I wasn't even expecting the food to be nasty, because just by pictures, I knew it was gonna be good. But I just wanted to try it for myself, because like I said, I like food. I'm big. Baby, I ain't thick for no reason. Okay? Okay. So anyways, I'm going to tag them down below. Or type them. Whatever the case may be. Put them down below. Y'all seen them? We'll put it up there for y'all. Y'all see that? If you stay in Panama, you ain't spent them $22 yet. Well, I don't know if your stuff gonna be $22. I got the Rich Girl sandwich in best $22.75. I spent, baby. Like, it is. Mine was $22.75 because I got this too. But y'all, if you ever want to take me somewhere, you want to take me on a date, just involve food. I'm there. Period. But if you want to take me on a romantic date, you want to plan something romantic, just get us a chew box. Get that Rich Girl sandwich. And I'm there. Period. No questions asked. Like, I'm there. Like, look. I really don't even care. Hold on. I really don't even care how I eat on videos, because I'm already, like, people think I'm fat anyway, so it is what it is. Period. And I'm real clumsy. Y'all, I don't know where he got that crab meat from. Just on the sandwich. But I can really just eat the crab meat and the onions by itself. Like, onions do something to me every time. I ain't gonna lie. I love onions. Baby, 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 baby. You know what? I ain't even gonna sit up here and gas it up like that. Go see for yourself. Period. Because me telling you, I ain't gonna do nothing. Just go see for yourself. Hold on, y'all. I gotta grab some more to drink. Wait right there. Putting you up on everything else. I might as well just put you up on drinks too. Right though? That right though? Gas. Gas. I mean, you can drink this on ice or without ice. My auntie had bought it for me when I had got sick. And ever since then, for about, what is this, February? For about a month straight. That's all I've been on. Because I was heavy on the cran mango and the cran apple, and I wouldn't try nothing different. That right though. That right though. Gas. Get. Watch me. Watch me. Sandwich was so damn good, I bit my fucking lip. Look, y'all. They owe me a meal on the house. Sandwich was so mother good, I bit my mother lip. Okay. That sandwich, y'all, I ain't gonna gas up too much. That's alright, but when you get you some extra onions like that, what we're trying to say? Sing to him. Sing to him, man. Baby. Y'all, I don't even like to talk when I eat my food, so I don't care. I'm getting my hair everywhere. Okay, I'm done. I'm really full. But, damn, I just been up again. I gotta slow down. For real, I gotta slow down. All right, y'all know I'm about to stress to y'all that it was $22.75. Okay, but it was the best $22.75 that I've spent. Excuse me. Like, hold on. I didn't eat everything. Wait, but I damn near ate everything. Like, even when I go to Burger King and stuff, though, I don't always eat the whole sandwich. I just, you know. But, hold on. No. Okay. So, okay. That was just my whole meal there. But it is 5:13. Focus. Y'all see the time. 5:13. Y'all know I'm just really trying to, hold on. I'm really just trying to be extra so I can show y'all me, because I'm like, $5:14. See a girl looking like that. That's all I wanted. I really wanted to show y'all, like, ain't man nothing like me. Okay. Anyways. And I'm about to take me a nap. Stay tuned. But anyways, back to what I was saying. Get you a box. If you ain't got you a box, got you. Get you. I'm tapping down below. But if you ain't got you a motherfucking box, what you waiting on? Period. Okay. If you're from Panama City, you know, y'all gonna see this kind of late. But anyways, I'm gonna tag them down below. Follow them on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. I mean, the truck is lit, clearly. You see me, I done bit my lip twice already. And I feel like they owe me a meal. I'm just kidding. But I would definitely be going back. Y'all see how I was tearing that junk up. So I'll definitely be going back. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more food vlogs, because I got them coming. I got them food videos coming for you. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if that don't look good. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys back in the next video. Bye, guys.